Do you want to make money flipping products? Reselling is one of the fastest ways to earn extra income, and you don't need a lot of money to start. By finding undervalued items and selling them for a profit, you can turn a small investment into a steady income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, this guide will show you exactly how to start making money with product flipping. The first step is choosing the right products to flip. Not all items have the same resale value, so it's important to focus on high-demand products with strong profit margins. Electronics, sneakers, designer clothing, furniture, vintage collectibles, refurbished appliances, power tools, and limited edition items tend to sell quickly. Products that are discontinued or trending often have an even higher resale value, as buyers are willing to pay more to get them. Once you've identified a product category, the next step is finding items at low prices. Thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, flea markets, and liquidation stores offer great deals on valuable products. Online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and OfferUp are excellent sources for finding people selling items cheaply. Retail arbitrage, which involves buying discounted products from stores like Walmart or Target and reselling them for a profit, is another powerful strategy. Tools like BrickSeek help track clearance deals and hidden discounts. Before purchasing an item, it's crucial to research its resale value. Checking eBay's sold listings, Facebook Marketplace, and Amazon pricing history will give you an idea of what similar items sell for. Aiming for at least a 50% profit margin ensures that after platform fees and shipping costs, you still make a solid profit. Items with consistent sales and strong demand are the best choices for quick flips. Once you've found a profitable item, the next step is listing and selling it. High-quality photos with good lighting and multiple angles make a listing more attractive. Detailed descriptions including brand, model, condition, and any flaws help build trust and reduce buyer questions. Using SEO-friendly keywords increases visibility in search results. Offering competitive pricing and free shipping can help attract more buyers and speed up sales. Choosing the right selling platform is essential. eBay works well for electronics, collectibles, and rare items. Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp are ideal for selling locally. Amazon FBA is perfect for those looking to scale through retail arbitrage. Poshmark and Depop are great for clothing and fashion accessories, while Etsy is best for vintage and handmade goods. Listing items on multiple platforms increases the chances of selling faster. To scale your reselling business, finding inventory at the lowest cost is key. Wholesale and liquidation sites like Bulk, liquidation.com, and Direct Liquidation offer pallets of overstocked or returned products that can be flipped for a higher price. Many resellers increase their profits by refurbishing or bundling items. A used gaming console, cleaned and paired with accessories, can sell for much more than the console alone. Expanding reach by cross-listing on multiple platforms is another way to boost sales. Posting the same item on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Mercari gives it more visibility, leading to faster sales. Managing multiple platforms manually can be time-consuming, so tools like Vendoo or List Perfectly help automate the process and track inventory. Flipping products successfully requires strategy, research, and consistency. Starting small, reinvesting profits, and scaling over time can turn reselling into a reliable income stream. Whether as a part-time hustle or a full-time business, flipping remains one of the best ways to make money in 2025. The sooner you start, the sooner you can build a profitable reselling business.